So if we consider this x bar, so x bar which is x1 plus x2 by 2. So now since x1 x2 follows IID normal theta 1, so x bar follows normal theta comma half. So that means if we consider likelihood ratio, h naught theta is equals to 0 versus h1 theta not equals to 0. So this rejects for large x bar. So the LRT of the size 0.05 will be of the form phi x1 x2 is equals to indicator of mod of x bar is greater than c. So where the c is chosen, so that this probability of theta is mod of x bar greater than c, theta is equals to 0 is 0.05. So if we write the power function beta of theta is expectation of theta phi, which is probability of x bar is greater than c. Now x bar follows normal theta comma half. So beta of theta is 1 minus this phi of c minus theta by square root of 1 by 2. So plus this phi of minus c minus theta by square root of 1 by 2. So now like beta of theta is a even function of theta, and it is strictly increasing in this theta, because like if we shift the mean away from 0, it increases the probability of exceeding the fixed thresholds of the fixed symmetric thresholds. So therefore in particular the minimum occurs at theta is equals to 0. So that means this beta of 0, which is 0.05. So therefore this expectation of this phi of x1 x2 is nothing but beta of theta, which is greater than or equal to beta of 0, which is 0.05. Therefore option B is correct. Now if we consider like option A, so option A, phi is a UMP test of size 0.05. Now we know that there is no UMP test for two-sided alternatives in a one-parameter exponential family in general, because like UMP exists for one-sided alternatives, and the LRT, which is rejecting x bar greater than c, is not a UMP for a two-sided alternative. So same is the reason for C. And for option D, I mean like this expectation of x1 into phi x1 x2, this is 0 clearly by the symmetry involved, because if theta is equals to 0, the joint distribution is symmetric. So that means this phi of x1 x2 is equals to phi of minus x1 comma minus x2. So it can't be equal to 0.05. So statement D is also false. So therefore option B is the correct answer.